Trading Community Architecture, TCA. The basic definition of a trading community architecture I have identified and written below. Oracle E-Business Suite provides a single repository to identify, store, and manage trading partners. This repository is nothing but Trading Community Architecture, or the short abbreviation is TCA. The trading partners is a common definition to identify customers, suppliers, and organizations that can provide goods and services. A trading partner could be your customer as well as a supplier. Now, I have actually written an example out there wherein, say for instance, Honda cars may be supplying you cars as a supplier, but then Honda, being a large company, can be your customers as well. They may be buying the goods manufactured by your company to assemble their cars, or they may be taking their professional consulting services. For instance, if your company is a provider of Oracle implementation services, maybe Honda may use your company's professional consulting services to implement Oracle at Honda plants. So Honda has become your customer as well as supplier. So in such a case, if you want to define Honda, then you define it as a trading partner using trading community architecture. So the high level definition of Honda will be at a trading partner level. It's also called as a party in Oracle database. So you define Honda as a party, and then as far as the locations are concerned, say for instance, being a customer, Honda is supplying you cars from Japan, and then their head office is in Tokyo. The manufacturing is maybe somewhere else, maybe in Narita. So you define two sites, one for Tokyo as a head office or a billing site, wherein when Honda supplies you the cars, then they will send you the invoices for payment and they have to be paid. So that's nothing but a billing or a payment site. But then a manufacturing facility could be different, and wherein they are supplying you from a different place. So you can define it that as a separate site. Similarly, on the other side, when Honda becomes a customer, if they are taking your services, then you can define some other XYZ site as the customer level site. So in that case, there are times what happens is, certain times it happens that a trading partner says that, all right, so instead of paying you for your services as a customer, can you net it off with the payments that you have to make me, wherein I'm acting as a supplier. For instance, taking this example, Honda says that, okay, I'll take your professional consulting services, and probably I have to pay you $500,000 for professional consulting services, but at the same time you have to pay me $1 million for the cars that you purchase. Can you net it off? So finally you have to pay $500,000 as a net off amount to the Honda. That netting off can be possible in Oracle applications as well. There is a functionality which is shared between account receivable and account payables module, through which you can net off these amounts as an intercompany transactions. You can also generate intercompany invoices to do that. So basically all that leverages not only the intercompany functionality within Oracle applications and AR AP netting functionality, but also it leverages the trading community architecture, wherein the single party can be defined as a customer, supplier, and the link can be established. In the next movie, I will explain you the advantages of trading community architecture, a little more advantages. Then I will go on to explain you the database architecture of a trading community architecture, then where the data in the database gets stored. Then I will show you an example of a supplier, how suppliers are defined, and how do they get stored, trading community architecture, and then from supplier's point of view, I will also introduce you to the new modules, supplier hub and supplier lifecycle management, which has been released from release 12.1.1 onwards. That contains a couple of additional functionality in relation to the supplier side of the trading community architecture.